Let's be honest. Some of you don't need a new face. You need to stop sabotaging the one you already have. Because most bad face card situations are not about bone structure. They're about habits. Repeated daily habits that quietly dull your features, harden your expression, and drain your glow. And the worst part? You don't even realize you're doing it. So let's fix it. Here are 8 things that ruin your face card, and why you need to stop immediately. The first thing is chronic dehydration. If your skin is constantly dry, tight, or flaky, your face card will never look premium. Dehydrated skin exaggerates texture. It makes under eyes look darker. It flattens your glow. It emphasizes fine lines you don't even need to be worrying about yet. And no, layering heavy foundation over dry skin does not fix it. It makes it worse. Hydration is not optional. It's foundational. Drink water. Use hydrating serums. Moisturize consistently. Wear sunscreen daily. Protect your barrier instead of attacking it with harsh products every week. You cannot glow on a dry canvas. The second thing is poor posture. Yes, posture affects your face card. When you slouch, your neck compresses. Your jawline softens. Your shoulders roll forward. Your face literally looks heavier. Stand upright. Elongate your neck. Relax your shoulders. Alignment sharpens your features naturally. It costs nothing, but it changes everything. The third thing is constant stress written on your face. If your jaw is always clenched, if your brows are always furrowed, if your lips are always tight, your face will hold that tension. Over time, tension becomes your resting expression. And resting stress face is not elite. Learn to relax your face. Drop your tongue from the roof of your mouth. Unclench your jaw. Soften your eyes. Peace is part of pretty. The fourth thing is overdoing makeup in the wrong places. Heavy baking under the eyes. Harsh contour dragging your cheeks downward. Thick, matte layers that remove all dimension. More product does not equal better face card. Lift your blush higher. Use lighter layers. Focus on skin quality instead of full coverage. Add glow strategically instead of mattifying everything. The goal is structure and light, not thickness. The fifth thing is neglecting your brows. Brows frame your entire face. If they're overgrown, uneven, or poorly shaped, they disrupt your symmetry instantly. You don't need dramatic arches. You need maintenance. Brush them upward. Clean around them. Keep them intentional. A clean brow can elevate your face without any other makeup. The sixth thing is inconsistent grooming. Chapped lips, untrimmed edges, unclean nails touching your face, poor oral hygiene. These details break the illusion immediately. Face card is not just skin, it's presentation. When your grooming is chaotic, your overall look feels chaotic. Maintenance is quiet, but powerful. The seventh thing is overexposure to negativity. This one is deeper. If you constantly compare yourself online, obsess over filters, or criticize your own appearance daily, that insecurity will show. Your body language shifts. Your eye contact weakens. Your smile tightens. Face card is not just physical, it's energetic. When you believe you look good, you move differently. When you move differently, people perceive you differently. Protect your mind if you want to protect your glow. The eighth thing is poor sleep and late night habits. Scrolling until 2 a.m., eating heavily right before bed, ignoring rest. Lack of sleep shows immediately on your face. Puffy eyes, dull skin, uneven tone, low energy. No serum can override chronic exhaustion. Sleep is a beauty product. If your face card has been declining, look at your bedtime first. Now let's zoom out. Notice how none of these things involve changing your genetics. They involve discipline, hydration, posture, stress control, strategic makeup, grooming maintenance, mental boundaries. Sleep. Your face card is not fragile. It's just sensitive to neglect. Stop attacking your own glow with habits that contradict what you say you want. You don't need a dramatic transformation. You need consistency. Because when you remove these 8 face card killers, something shifts. Your features look sharper. Your skin looks softer. Your expression looks calmer. Your presence looks stronger. And that's when people start saying, "You look different." Not because you changed your face, but because you stopped ruining it.